Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be doing my Sephora Play unboxing for you for the month of September. And it has been quite a while since I've sat down and recorded one of these videos. I've mainly been doing them live on YouTube for the past 3, 4, maybe even more than that months, I would say, because it gets it up quickly for you, especially if I'm running behind and want to get it up before the next month begins. But I haven't really taken the time to sit down and do one formally in a long time, so I thought that I would do that for you today. But before we get into the box, just a couple of things I wanted to address. One, if my lighting looks a little bit different, that's because unfortunately I knocked one of my box lights over and broke the bulb, so I've had to order a new one and I'm just waiting for that to arrive. But in the meantime, I only have one box light and then my ring light, so I apologize if it looks a little bit different or maybe not as good as usual. The second thing is, I tried out a powder foundation today, and I don't typically use powder foundations. I typically use more like a liquid or cream. So it was definitely interesting, different to apply. Does not give as much coverage as a cream or liquid would. So let me know what you think. Do you notice any difference at all? I'd love to know. The last thing I wanted to address before we get into the unboxing is that I am going to be in a friend's wedding soon, and the dress is gold, so I thought I would try out a gold look today and see how that went. So I had a little fun with that. And so now let's get into the Sephora unboxing. I have to be honest right away, the bag this month is disappointing to say the least, because it's not their normal canvas bag. It is a cheap plastic bag, basically a Ziploc bag. So I don't know why they decided to go with this different style, but I at least had a use for the canvas bags that they gave. Granted, I didn't use them all. I eventually have to give them away, or I can't keep them all because I'd have tons of bags taking over my house. But I did have a use for them, whether that be taking makeup to travel or things like that. But this is not something that I would use because of the fact that it's cheap plastic and basically like a Ziploc bag. So I hope that this does not become a trend. But basically on the front it just says play with different makeup and things, and then on the back it says opens bag, pours out samples, high five self. And the theme this month is Next Gen Beauty. This season's most buzzed about beauty puts a focus on innovation. Okay, so the first thing I've pulled out here, I'll give you a guess. It's a mascara, and it's the Sephora brand Lash Craft Big Volume Mascara. And I feel like I've tried a Sephora Lash Craft before, so either they've repackaged it into a different packaging, or this is just a different type of their Lash Craft. But it says, so this is the big volume. So maybe I tried the traditional, I don't remember, but I don't remember it having pink on the packaging. And I don't love getting mascara samples in these boxes because they do it a lot along with eyeliner. But if it ends up being a good one, then I don't mind. And I've gone through a lot of my mascara samples now, so I only currently have the mascara that I'm using, as well as one that I got in my recent Sephora unboxing, so it'll be good to have a backup, but hopefully it's one that I like. So it says instantly amp up lashes for big volume. Saturated black pigments plus polymers make lashes appear thicker and bolder. Nourishing jojoba seed oil helps prevent clumping and flaking. Well, that would be nice. And it says that the curved brush hugs every lash. Oh. Well, Sephora, you may have just redeemed yourself for the plastic bag, because this is a Sunday Riley product. And I don't remember ever getting a Sunday Riley product in these bags, but it is a very expensive brand. I've tried their, oh gosh, now I'm gonna not remember the name. I'm gonna have to look it up for you, but it is one of their very popular products, and it is over $100, and they've included a Sunday Riley product in here that I haven't tried, so I'm very excited about that. And it is the Tidal Cream Aqua, I guess is the name of it. So, and it does not even say the size of, 0.3 fluid ounces. So it's a small sample, but hopefully I can make it go a long way. And I will read more about what it does in a few moments. And this is a perfume sample. Oh, I was about to be disappointed because I thought it was one that I have gotten twice before, because it is a Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb, but apparently this is a different scent, potentially a new scent. It is the Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb Nectar. Let's see if I can get it out of this packaging. Little disappointing that it's only 3/4 full, but it's a freebie, what can you do? That's a good one. So for some reason I don't like the Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb Traditional, but I do like this Nectar one. And some people may not like this comment, but it reminds me of the Britney Spears fragrances. Just, it's stronger. It's definitely a strong scent, but on the sweeter side. So I'll be curious to read the notes, but that is one that I will use. Well, Sephora, you are doing well so far, because the next product is another amazing skincare brand. It's Peter Thomas Roth, and this is one of theirs I haven't heard of. It's a Hungarian thermal water, mineral-rich atomic heat mask. An atomic flash of water-activated heat nourishes and restores for smoother, younger, healthier-looking skin. Apply generously, leave on for up to 3 minutes, wet fingertips with cool water and massage to activate, then rinse. The next product is a primer. Another thing I'm not thrilled to get lately, just because I have a lot of them sitting in my drawer that are going to take me a long time to get through. But I don't believe I've tried this one, and I think I've heard quite a bit about it. So it's from Too Faced, and it's the Hangover RX Replenishing Face Primer. It says with coconut water probiotic based. So I wonder if it has any kind of tint to it. I can't tell without squeezing it out, but yeah, another primer sample to try out. And the final item is a lip product from Nude Sticks, and I have received Nude Sticks lip products before, and I do enjoy them. It's actually an intense matte lip and cheek pencil, but I basically use it just for the lips. And what color is this? The color is Kiss. So this is not a color that I have. I have the color Belle, I believe it is, and I do like that one, but this is the color Kiss. So you can see what that looks like, and let's give it a swatch. Yeah, these are very moisturizing and go on really nice and smooth and easy. And it's another type of nude that Sephora sends, but it's definitely more on the reddish pink side. So I think that's going to be a great color to wear through the fall. All right, so that is everything for this month's box. Let me just get a little more detail about some of these products. So starting off with the Sunday Riley Good Jeans, the one I was trying to think before I knew it would come to me. It's the Sunday Riley Good Jeans is the one that I've tried. Sunday Riley Good Jeans Lactic Acid Treatment is the one I've tried before, and it works really well. It's just very expensive, so I'll be curious to learn more about this product. It says, moisturize, bragging brights, an advanced water cream that brightens, hydrates, and plumps skin. Why it's trending. This moisturizer hydrates skin using 2 types of hyaluronic acid plus tamarind extract. Papaya enzymes smooth and exfoliate, while alpha arbutin visibly brightens the appearance of dark spots. Well, that's good. Use a dime-size amount twice a day after applying a serum or alone. Pat on top of makeup to lock in hydration. And then the notes of the perfume. Top notes, osmanthus, orange blossom. Middle notes, tonka bean liqueur. And base notes, gunpowder accord. Some of those are surprising, but I do like the scent. Then for the Peter Thomas Roth, it says, a powerful heat mask that uses Hungarian thermal water to nurture skin. Why it's trending. What makes ancient mineral-rich thermal water innovative? The water hydrates skin and infuses it with vital nutrients to visibly reduce the look of fine lines, wrinkles, dullness, and uneven skin tone. How to use: apply a quarter size amount to cleansed, dry skin. Let it sit for up to 3 minutes. Wet fingertips and massage the mask to activate the flash of heat, and then rinse off. So that should be interesting, especially on those cold winter nights when you want a little warmth. So that is everything for September Sephora Play. I think the items I'm most excited to try out are the 2 skincare items, the Sunday Riley product and the Peter Thomas Roth, because they're both really great skincare brands, and I'm excited to see how these products work. I'm also very excited that I like the perfume because that doesn't happen too often. So I think it was a good box or bag overall this month, other than the actual bag that it came in, but that's fine. I don't care about that if it keeps coming with amazing products inside. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and let me know if you prefer it in this format where I sit down and record it, or if you prefer it live. Also, let me know any video requests that you have down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye!